Looking for quality used office furniture in Lyndhurst Township, New Jersey? At PTI Office Furniture, we've got you covered. Explore our showroom with an impressive selection of pre-owned office furniture pieces. Our gently used furniture offers both style and savings, perfect for your home, personal workspace, or office. Need guidance? Not sure which furniture fits your space? Our friendly staff is here to assist you every step of the way. And don't worry about the logistics, we offer fast and efficient delivery services. But don't just take our word for it, hear what our satisfied customers say. Elevate your workspace's aesthetics and functionality with our affordable options. Ready to upgrade your office? Call us at 201-840-6990 today. Our staff are always ready to welcome your inquiries. Visit our website at ptiof.com/service-areas/bergen/lyndhurst.html for our latest inventory. PTI Office Furniture, where quality and savings meet for your Lyndhurst Township, New Jersey workspace.